Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by securing safety and opening a short, direct conversation. First, remove immediate risks, keys, medications, so nobody drives or harms themselves. Once done, wait for a calm, sober window within 24 to 48 hours and invite your mom to talk privately. Explain specific behaviors you've noticed and why they worry you, using one clear request, like not drinking at home. Be firm but compassionate. Your tone tells her you're on the same team. This sets boundaries and begins change. Now you expand into practical, structured support. First, schedule a medical check or counselor appointment within a week and research nearby recovery meetings, AA or Smart Recovery, and offer to go together. Next, set clear boundaries and short-term checkpoints at 3, 7, and 30 days so progress is trackable and consequences are understood. Make alternatives available. Plan walks, meals, or hobby time in place of drinking. By combining medical oversight, routine checkpoints, and supportive activities, you make sustained change far more likely. To finish, focus on sustaining gains and handling setbacks. You keep weekly check-ins and make sure any prescribed meds or therapies are attended. Continuity prevents relapse. If drinking resumes, follow an immediate safety plan, remove risks, call a clinician, or use urgent services. Escalate to professional care if needed. Make sure you also protect yourself, set limits, and seek family or support group help so you don't burn out. If progress stalls, revisit medical options and intensify treatment as a next step.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.